Want to ride in luxury without draining your wallet? You're in the right place. Today on Zero to Dream, we're counting down the 7 best used luxury SUVs you should buy in 2025. Models that give you power, prestige, and plush interiors at a price that actually makes sense. Let's get into it. And hey, if you're passionate about cars that balance style, performance, and value, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Let's ride. Number 7, 2019 to 2021 BMW X5. Starting off strong, the BMW X5 is a benchmark for luxury SUVs. Go for a 2019 to 2021 model and you're looking at a sweet spot between modern tech and affordable pricing. In our eyes, a mid-sized luxury SUV is at its best when it so effortlessly blends on-road driving satisfaction with modern technology and a posh cabin. And the 2021 BMW X5 does just that. 3 different powertrains are offered, including a plug-in hybrid model and a high-performance twin-turbo V8. And the X5's road manners are decidedly athletic. Its styling is attractive without being overly flashy, and the interior treats occupants with quality materials, comfortable seats, and a plethora of convenience and luxury features. We love saving money almost as much as we love great performance, and that's why we think the xDrive 40i is the X5 to buy. With a 0 to 60 mph time of 4.8 seconds, it's got sports sedan acceleration, comes with all-wheel drive, and is a relative bargain in this price class. Why it's worth it? Twin-turbo inline-6 or V8 engines, high-end interior with gesture controls, iDrive system with large touchscreen. Pricing. Average market price, $35,000 to $45,000. Pro tip. Look for the xDrive 40i. It balances performance and reliability. Stay away from heavily modified or high-mileage M trims. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz GLE 2018 to 2020. The Mercedes-Benz GLE offers sophistication in every detail. Whether you're cruising downtown or going cross-country, the GLE is the definition of refined comfort. The 2018 to 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE, formerly known as the M-Class, is a mid-size luxury SUV known for its comfortable ride, nimble handling, and available advanced technology. It offers a range of engine options, including a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, and a V8, all paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. The GLE also features a spacious interior, available premium sound system, and options like augmented reality navigation and driver assistance packages. Transmission. All engine options are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Ride and handling. The GLE provides a comfortable ride with light steering and nimble handling. Technology. The GLE boasts features like dual 12.3-inch infotainment displays, MBUX voice recognition system, augmented reality navigation, and driver assistance packages. Interior. The interior offers spaciousness and available features like a panoramic moonroof, heated and cooled front seats, and premium sound systems. Why it's worth it. Sleek design and luxurious ride. Available Airmatic suspension. Dual-screen infotainment system in newer trims. Average market price, $32,000 to $45,000. Watch out. Make sure the vehicle has a full service record. Some models had minor transmission or air suspension issues. Number 5. Audi Q7 2017 to 2019. Need 3 rows of luxury? The Audi Q7 delivers elegance, technology, and surprisingly agile handling for a large SUV. We were fortunate enough to have a 2017 Q7 3.0T Prestige in our long-term fleet, and we found very little to complain about. 2 engines are available, an efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder and a zesty supercharged V6, and both come standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. Low-speed automated emergency braking is standard, but those seeking more advanced driver assistance features will find what they're looking for in the mid-range Premium Plus and top-spec Prestige trims. The Q7 is at its best with the supercharged V6 and the adaptive air suspension, and we'd recommend the Prestige trim with the adaptive chassis package. It comes with a hefty asking price, but you get what you pay for, and in this case, you're getting one of the best mid-size luxury crossovers on sale today, as well as our 3-time 10 Best Trucks and SUVs award winner. Why it's worth it. Virtual cockpit digital cluster, Quattro all-wheel drive system optional V6 turbo for serious power. Pricing. Average market price, $25,000 to $35,000. Pro tip. Opt for the Premium Plus trim. It includes top-tier features without the high maintenance of prestige models. Number 4. Lexus RX350, 2016-2018. This one's for those who want reliability and refinement. The Lexus RX350 is the king of long-term luxury ownership. The RX finds a home in many driveways thanks to its flashy styling, softly sprung suspension, refined ride, and comfortable interior. Its optional hybrid powertrain is appealing to fuel-conscious buyers, and a new 3-row variant provides a little extra space for people and cargo. Engine, transmission, and performance. 2 available powertrains, one of which is a hybrid, provide adequate but uninspiring motivation for the RX. There's a 3.5-liter V6 that produces 295 horsepower and comes mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The fuel-efficient hybrid models combine the V6 with electric power for a total of 308 horsepower. These drive through a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. Both power plants are smooth, polished, and efficient, which is perhaps what's most important to luxury shoppers. Interior comfort and cargo. As with its exterior, the RX's interior boasts a bold styling theme and complements it with a comfortable driving position and upscale features. Both front and rear seats in the 2-row model are spacious, adult-friendly, plush, and supportive. Infotainment and connectivity. The RX comes with such amenities as an 8-inch display, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and a 9-speaker audio system with Sirius XM satellite radio. Options include a 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, and a premium sound system. Pricing. Average market price, $22,000 to $30,000. With lower maintenance costs than most German SUVs, the RX350 is a great luxury choice for daily drivers. Number 3. Volvo XC90, 2018-2020. Want something stylish, safe, and Swedish? The Volvo XC90 blends minimalist design with top-tier safety features. The 2018 to 2020 Volvo XC90 is a large luxury SUV known for its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and advanced safety features. It offers various engine options, including a turbocharged and supercharged 4-cylinder T6 and a plug-in hybrid T8 with an electric-only range, engine, transmission, and performance. The non-hybrid XC90 is offered with your choice of 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder engines. The 250 horsepower turbocharged engine, T5 designation, is the only one that pairs with front-wheel drive, but it's also offered with all-wheel drive, which is standard on every other model. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The XC90's interior is a masterpiece of the medium. From the attractive design to the quality of the materials, we wish there were more vehicles like this. Infotainment and connectivity. A handsome, tablet-like 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard in all XC90s, and its operation is mostly intuitive. Every model has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Pricing. Average market price, $28,000 to $38,000. Stick with the T6 AWD trim. It's the sweet spot for performance and fuel economy. Number 2. Acura MDX, 2019-2021. Next up, the Acura MDX, a luxury SUV with Honda reliability, making it one of the smartest long-term investments. It offers a quiet and comfortable ride with high-quality materials, rivaling some luxury brands. The MDX also features a power liftgate, hands-free on some trims, and plenty of underfloor storage. Engine and performance. The 290 horsepower V6 that powers the MDX is typical of the power plants in 3-row crossovers, and it's a strong workhorse for this application. The 9-speed is mostly smooth and sure-footed, but it can be slow to downshift when you want acceleration. The MDX is a pleasure to drive. Acura's all-wheel drive systems help it to be more agile and engaging on the road than we expect a 3-row crossover to be. Interior, infotainment, and cargo. The new push-button electronic shifter on the center console is less user-friendly than the mechanical lever it replaces. Various competitors in this class offer more legroom in each row than the MDX. Second-row passengers will appreciate that the bench seat can slide back and recline slightly, but that's cold comfort for passengers in the cramped third row. Pricing. Average market price, $25,000 to $33,000. Look for the A-Spec trim if you want sportier looks without sacrificing reliability. Number 1. Range Rover Sport V6, 2016 to 2018. Lastly, the Range Rover Sport. Yes, it's British, yes, it's luxurious, but no, you don't have to fear it, as long as you choose the right one. The 2016-2018 Range Rover Sport with a V6 engine is a luxurious SUV known for its powerful performance and off-road capabilities. It typically features a supercharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. If you're looking for an equal serving of both in one vehicle, however, the 2025 Land Rover Range Rover is a prime choice. Along with its stately exterior presence, the Range Rover starts with an opulent interior that only gets nicer with options. The ride quality is glassy smooth, making you forget how capable the big SUV is over challenging terrain. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Range Rover is available with a quartet of powertrains, starting with a turbocharged inline-six with a 48-volt hybrid system dubbed P400 that develops 395 horsepower. During our initial test drive, it proved to be silky smooth and provided adequate pep to tug the large Range Rover around. A 523 horsepower twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine, Land Rover calls it P530, is even swifter and cranks up the Range Rover's towing capacity to 8,200 pounds. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As with past generations of the Range Rover, this new generation model offers a plush interior, decked out with rich leathers and woods, but buyers who want a more sustainable cabin can now opt for a new leather-free option, which subs in wool or other textiles. The interior can be arranged to seat 4, 5, or 7, depending on configuration and wheelbase. The third row, even in long wheelbase trims, may not fit tall adults as the headroom there is somewhat limited, but shorter riders and kids will find it nearly as comfortable as the second row. Infotainment and connectivity. All models receive a new 13.1-inch curved infotainment display with Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, and the system also receives Amazon's Alexa voice assistant. Other standard features include in-dash navigation, wireless smartphone charging, Sirius XM satellite radio, and a 13.7-inch digital gauge display. A rear seat entertainment system with dual 11.4-inch displays is available, as is a Meridian stereo system with 35 speakers and noise-canceling technology embedded into the headrests. Why it's worth it. Bold road presence. Luxury interior with real wood and leather. Powerful supercharged V6. Pricing. Average market price, $28,000 to $35,000. Warning, skip the diesel or V8 versions unless you're ready for higher maintenance costs. Keep it simple and well maintained. There you have it, 7 of the best used luxury SUVs you can buy in 2025. Whether you're chasing power, presence, or practicality, there's something here that'll fit your dream and your budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite SUV or one you'd recommend others avoid. And remember, on Zero to Dream, we help you drive smarter, not poorer.